Hello dolls and welcome to Miss Dolly's Dollhouse. Today we are unboxing American Girl historical doll Claudie. Her year is 1922. Her story is in Harlem in New York City. She comes wearing a mint green cardigan with a mint green matching bow. She has on a collared blue gingham dress with a front row of buttons, black shoes, white knee-high socks, and her hair is extremely curly. And it looks like we're going to have to take the bow off before we can take the hairnet off for everybody. So today that will be it. And this is Claudie.